Hey guys, welcome back. I've got another new Tool Monday here for you. I feel like I should start off by saying that I am in no way sponsored by Milwaukee or Home Depot, where I get these tools. Now, I'm sure you guys can relate to how brand loyalty like this starts. All of the cordless tools that I've experienced seem to be fairly similar in quality. It really started out with going and seeing what was the least expensive. It started with these three M12 series drills that were on sale and came in a pack with a bag to carry them out, and so that's how my Milwaukee affiliation started. I've used the heck out of these over probably the last 10 or 12 years, and I decided it was time to upgrade. I decided to stay with the Milwaukee. There's a lot of cool features I like about these brushless tools. And one of them was that these drills, impact driver, and sawzall came in this pack out tool, which is an awesome means of storage and carrying and mobilizing all of the stuff that you end up carrying around to a job site. So that's how that happened. Once you've made your investment in a set of tools, this becomes the deciding factor in how you go forward, because those batteries are expensive. I don't have to tell you. Well, this brings me to what I have today. A couple weeks ago, you may have seen me go to Home Depot to buy a couple of bags of pre-mixed concrete, and I ended up with this. The saw was $249, and the battery, if you can believe it, $169. But they had a special where if you bought the saw for $249, the $169 battery came for free. Well, sounds like a heck of a deal, right? So I fell for it, and a week later, the saw is $179, but the battery doesn't come with it. So yeah, it's a marketing scheme. They all do it. The bottom line is I'm going to need a circular saw like this that I can take with me onto a job site. I was able to get out the other day and pour the post anchors for the covered fire pit that I'm building for a client out of lumber that I'm milling. That'll be coming up in a future video. But this is going to be a pretty darn handy thing to have on the site, and I'm pretty excited to get it charged up and put it to use. Comes with a blade, that's good. Well, my initial reaction is that this is a pretty heavy duty unit. It's got a nice table. The adjustment is nice and easy to read for your angles. It's got a joist hook. This must be a vacuum attachment. Well, let's get the battery on the charger. Where's my sawzall? has a button right here to lock the motor so that you can tighten the blade down. Safety trigger. Well, we just need to charge up that battery and test her out. Okay, well, the battery is charged up. Let's give this sucker a try. It's even got a light. Outstanding. Now, where am I going to find some wood to cut? Now, obviously, I'm not going to make a couple cuts with this saw right now and decide whether or not it works well. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to make a couple cuts. Definitely keep an eye out for this in my future videos. I think this thing's going to be pretty darn handy. Well, as you would expect when you purchase a name brand quality tool, it works great. But like I said, I'll be using this a lot coming up here. I'll have a bunch of use for this on that fire pit structure. I hope to be getting back over there soon. As you can see, there's still some snow on the ground from a little bit of I wouldn't call it a snowstorm, but we had an inch and a half or so the other night. I think we had 11 inches of rain last month. So it's been wet around here. It's hard to get outside and get stuff done, but hopefully real soon you'll see this in action. I've got actually several tool videos coming up. I have a friend that I did some sawing for who bought a new DeWalt pole saw that he's going to loan me to unbox and try out and show you how that works. And I got a few other things coming down the line, so stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.